Welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to the Discord app on your Android device. If you're unfamiliar with the process or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Look for the option to log in and tap on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter either your email address or phone number that is associated with your Discord account. Make sure to double-check for any typos before moving on to the next step. After entering your email address or phone number, it's time to input your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so be sure to type it in exactly as you created it. Once your password is entered, tap the Login button to access your account, and there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Discord account on your Android device. It's as simple as that. Remember, if you ever forget your password, you can always request a password reset to regain access to your account. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the login process on the Discord app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to the Discord support team for help. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.